Previously,
We are in Vancouver!
we experienced some of beautiful British Columbia,
A mud fight.
and we purchased a camper van renovation project, which we turn into this over the course of the next few videos.
We're driving down a four-wheel drive track. This poor van is not having a good time. We're driving 8 kilometres into the middle of nowhere. Hopefully there's a place to camp for the night here for free.
Look at those mozzies.
We have beer colder than your ex's heart, cigarettes more toxic than your last relationship.
Alright, let's roll! Tonight we're going to a place called Kelowna. We'll be there for about 6 weeks, house sitting, so that's going to be really handy. We're going to fit out our van while we're there, which will be really cool. Yeah, it'll be a shame to get off the road. Actually, it's quite nice just touring around, having a look. But it will be really good to get the van sorted. Upon arriving in Kelowna, we spent a week with the amazing house owners, getting to know them and learning to care for their garden, as well as cooking and feasting from their incredible homegrown produce. Scott would now get the opportunity to start on the renovations to the van while I took care of the domestic duties.
Jess is in action. What are you doing, babe?
I am making preserves. In particular, this is a
Berries.
compote.
Compote.
That's what it's called. Compote.
What do you reckon? Good thing?
Yeah.
Now we're just filling the gaps with whipped cream, and it's really fun.
Yep.
It's not whipped cream, but it seems like whipped cream.
You know what you're doing there?
Yeah.
Insulation. Check. Good thing?
Done.
Happy?
Great job.
What happened?
My plugger broke.
This is the disaster I'm hearing so much about.
Yep. Unacceptable.
So what, now you're going to break mine, are you?
Probably.
Rude. How's this coming
I
along?
need work shoes, so...
Look at this little jigsaw puzzle. It's coming together quite well, isn't it?
Yeah. Getting there.
Very well indeed.
Today we are going to get flooring. I'm super excited about this. Decorative! It's nice when you get to the phase of doing the decorative stuff rather than just the practical needs. Yep, let's go! Our floor's going down. Woo! There we go. Final piece.
Yep.
This is it.
See
You're
if
a
I can't
champ.
stuff this one up. Hey?
You're amazing. Look at that. Looks fantastic.
Next time, our bed goes in, our toilet room and our kitchen begin to take shape, and Scott cuts a hole in our roof.
It's perfect. Perfect.